Oh, excuse me. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, I wanted to have a go at this Brinks. What is this model number? I'm not sure the model number, but it is Brinks steel round body padlock. Nice beefy lock. You know what? If you weren't like a lock picker, this is actually a solid choice. You know what I mean? Nice solid lock. Looks nice. I like it. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a Covert Instruments 50 thou turner. Excuse me. I'm going to grab a short flat from my buddy Rob. Ka-cha! Slayed. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Till next time. Catch you later, guys. Thank you.